Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by examining the connector and cable closely. You want to find visible damage now, not later. Look inside the MagSafe or USB-C port for lint, bent pins, or green corrosion because cleaning removes many failures. Once done, confirm the adapter's wattage on the printed label so you use a compatible spare if needed. Finally, flex the cable gently along its length to reproduce any intermittent fault. This tells you if the cable or connector is the culprit. Power down the MacBook and unplug everything. Safety first. Use compressed air and a soft nylon brush to remove debris, and dab corroded contacts with 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab. Avoid soaking the board. After cleaning, test the adapter output with a multimeter. You should read the expected voltage, for example 20V at the barrel or USB-C pins. If you have a spare, try it to isolate the issue. If the adapter passes, the port or logic board is the next suspect. If the cable or adapter shows wear or fails voltage, replace it with an original or certified unit. Cheap clones often fail. When the charger is good but it still won't charge, the Mac's charging port or internal power board may be damaged. In that case, either swap the small board if you're comfortable or seek professional service. If things go wrong, reset the SMC or SMC equivalent and check system report power to confirm whether the Mac detects AC. That step often reveals hidden issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.